Hi, good day and good morning. I'm Melanie Baterna Resma from Philippines. I'm 47 years old. My birthday is on October 9, 1978. I'm a single mom of two sons. My elder one is 29 years old. My younger one is 14 years old. I worked before in Brunei Darussalam in 8 years. My first contract is sales lady in a mobile accessories. My second contract is cashier in cafe restaurant, but I do all around the world. I'm a high school graduate only. I cannot take a college because of financial problem. Now, I'm in the Philippines applying a domestic helper in that country. I can do a household work like as cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and cooking. Thank you very much and have a good day. God bless us.